Hello everybody, this is the review of the Pericat video projector model Q9. First impressions, looks promising. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Looks like a very nice little bag. Here it comes with a projector screen, and it's a 100 inches. The case looks very nice, it's very well made. I like the feel of it. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. We have the manual. Seems very well written, good instructions. So I'll read this later. I'm pretty sure it's very simple to use from the looks of it. Nothing else in the pocket. We have the remote control. Looks like an HDMI cable. AV or audio equipment and the power cord. And look at that, nice little tripod. Projector itself, very light and simple to use. Seems to have Wi-Fi capabilities, so I'm eager to test those. So let's take a look. Well, first things, you can install this in several configurations, upside down or on the side, and you can see how the pictures can rotate. Here we go into the settings, and we're gonna configure our Wi-Fi so that it's on the same network as my phone and tablets. And it got connected pretty quick. We have the option to mirror screens via Android or iOS. Since I have an iPhone, I'm going to set it up to mirror my iPhone's screen and see how well that capability works. So the two devices must be connected on the same Wi-Fi network, which I have already done. And I'm just gonna open up a preloaded video that I have. So right now I'm gonna link it to my phone. And here's the preloaded video. You can see on the screen in the background, that's the projector. So it's playing the video. Very smooth, very nice, no hiccups. Very impressed with this. So the projector has a built-in audio, and that's what you're hearing right now. And you can see how you can rotate the image upside down if you were to, put the projector on the ceiling. And now I'm going to switch over to the Chromecast. I'm just going to play a little bit of audio because I don't want to get a copyright infringement. You can adjust the volume with the remote control. And like I said, it has built-in speakers, but you probably want to set this up with like real nice speakers to get that real movie experience. I just hooked up my Chromecast to the HDMI port, but you have other options. You have USB, you have VGA, and a SD card that you can use. And that's it. Very simple, very capable. I'm looking forward to movie nights with the family. And that's all. Until next time.